In order to initiate locomotion, you've got to have enough postural control in order to make the first step. Yeah? So posture and locomotion are inextricably linked and have this harmonious interplay where one feeds off the other. So I've got to have enough postural control on my left in order to make the right step. Yes? Okay. And then I've got to have enough postural control on the right to make the left step. Yes? But I haven't got to have so much postural control, right, which becomes rigidity, where I then can't move. As I walk faster, I have to increase my postural control, yes, so that the velocity of the moving limb does not displace me on my standing limb. So the question, clinical question with your patient who is ambulatory, when I say they are ambulatory, I mean they are able to generate a good enough idea cortically to disinhibit their midbrain locomotor region to make the first step. All right? Okay? That's the difference between a patient with a cortical lesion and a patient with a spinal cord lesion. Yeah? So some of our patients who have a cortical lesion, who have all of the machinery still intact for rhythmical walking, yes, it's all still there, but they don't have enough cortical initiation to get the machinery going. Right? So they can walk, but they can't generate enough of a good idea to walk. Take your incomplete spinal cord patient, cortical regions are intact, maybe undergone diasthesis, particularly the cerebellum, right? But their machinery has been disrupted, right? So their machinery within the spinal cord now, their interneuronal networks, their reflexes, all of their spinal machinery, yes, isn't necessarily there sufficient to give them reciprocal ambulation, but they don't have any problem generating a good idea. Yes? So they have the will to walk but not the machinery to walk, whereas your cortical have the machinery to walk but don't know that they can. The clinical question with your person who is ambulating is, are they walking slowly because of their impairments, which affects either their ability to, or their capacity to generate stance or swing, or both, yes? Or are they walking slowly because they've never had the experience of being able to safely walk fast? Postural control and balance are experientially developed. That's the beauty of body weight support treadmill. Right? Body weight support treadmill gives you the capacity to take your patient to walking at speed safely. It's a tool for generating postural control. It's a tool for generating reciprocal movement. It's a tool to modulate tone. It's not the solution.